Good day, everyone. My name is Edwina C. Donoso, and I'm going to present the parts and functions of animal cell. Animal cells. Animal cells are the basic unit of life in organisms of the kingdom Animalia. They are eukaryotic cells, meaning that they have a true nucleus and specialized structures called organelles that carry out different functions. These are the parts and functions of the animal cell. The cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin semi-permeable membrane layer of protein and fats surrounding the cell. Its primary role is to protect the cell from its surrounding. Also, it controls the entry and exit of nutrients and other microscopic entities into the cell. The nucleus. This is a spherical structured organelle found majorly at the center of a cell, surrounded by a double-layered nuclear membrane separating it from the cytoplasm. The primary role of the nucleus is to control and regulate cell activities of growth and maintain the cell's metabolism. It also carries the genes that have hereditary information of the cell. The cytoplasm. This is a gel-like material that contains all the cell organelles enclosed within the cell membrane. The mitochondria. These are membrane-bound organelles located in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. Their primary function is to generate energy for the cell. They are the power generators, producing energy in form of adenosine triphosphate or ATP, by converting nutrients and oxygen into energy, enabling the cell to perform its function and to also release excess energy from the cells. The endoplasmic reticulum. This is a continuous folded membranous organelle found in the cytoplasm, made up of a thin network of flattened interconnected compartments that connects from the cytoplasm to the cell nucleus. It manufactures, processes, and transports proteins for cell utilization both in and out of the cell. This is because it is directly connected to the nuclear membrane, providing a passage between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. The ribosome. They are small organelles majorly made up of 60% RNA cytoplasmic granules and 40% proteins. The ribosomal subunits are the site for genetic coding into proteins. On the ribosomes, the mRNA helps determine the coding for transfer RNA, which also determines the protein amino acid sequences. The Golgi apparatus. These are membrane-bound cell organelles found in the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell, next to the endoplasmic reticulum and near the nucleus. Their primary function is to transport, modify, and pack proteins and lipids into the Golgi vesicles to deliver them to their target sites. Animal cells contain one or more Golgi bodies, while plants have a few hundred. Lysosomes. They are round subcellular organelle found in almost all eukaryotic cells. This is the site for digestion of cell nutrients, excretion, and cell renewal. The cytoskeleton. This is a fibrous network that's formed by different proteins of long chains of amino acids. The cytoskeleton functions to create a network organizing the cell components and to also maintain the cell shape. It also provided a uniform movement of the cell and its organelles by the filament system network found in the cell cytoplasm. It also organizes some of the cell components, maintaining the cell shape. The centrioles. This is distinctly found in the animal cell, which has the ability to replicate or make copies of itself. It is made up of 9 microtubule bundles, and their primary function is to assist in organizing the cell division process. Microtubules. These are long, straight, hollow cylinder filaments that are constructed from 13 to 15 subfilament strands of a special globular protein called tubulin, found only in eukaryotic cells. They give structural support and also give characteristic support to the Golgi bodies, holding them within the gel matrix of the cytoplasm. Peroxisome. It is a membrane-bound vesicles which contain oxidative enzymes which oxidizes molecules, which are toxic substances, commonly found in liver and germinating seeds. The cilia and flagella. They are made of strands of filaments. These filaments have partial and complete microtubules that extend the projections. Partial microtubules don't extend to the tip of the cilium, and the complete microtubules extend to the tip of the cilium. Sperm cells have flagella, allowing it to swim to the ova for fertilization. For single cells such as sperm, this enables them to swim. Lastly, the vacuole. They are membrane-bound sacs found within the cell cytoplasm. Their primary function is to store food, water, carbohydrates in the form of sugars, and waste materials. And that's the parts and functions of animal cell. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today. Thank you and God bless.